Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. So this is the final video in my press-on series. This is the Kiara Sky, and I have them in both the Gilded Gold and Blush Away. So the packaging is superb. The nails themselves, the tips are just stunning. I can't say enough about it. What can I say? Kiara Sky does everything like top-notch. So I just was really curious. I saved these ones for last because I wanted to see how well they fit, how durable they were, and you know, if I just like them better than the other ones. So as you can see, the kit does contain pretty much the same thing. It's the orange wood stick, the alcohol pad, and it does come with its own glue. So this is the Kiara Sky glue, which I actually have used before, and I really do like it. Has really good superior adhesion. So I chose to glue these on because I really like these, and I have not done the acrylic method with any of the nails that I have tested. I wanted to use mainly. As you can see, they look really stunning. These are definitely the most realistic looking. They're flush to the cuticle. They were the longest wearing, even with the glue application, and they did not wear down. They kept their shine. So I highly recommend the Kiara Sky press-ons. And for the runner-up, I chose Beetles. Thank you for watching, guys.